drink, watch out over your kitchen sink, turn you on like a fiery alarm. Girl, who's your farmer? Who keeps planting them kisses on your South Georgia lips, dancing in the rain with my hands on your hips? Who lives your life out in pretty little rows? Who keeps that red dirt between your pretty toes? Oh, say my name, let it echo through the holler. Who's your farmer? Who's your John Deere? Who's your cold beer? Who's the arms around you on a four-wheeler flying through a hay field? Who's your crooked smile in a t-shirt tan, homegrown southern charmer? Who's your farmer? Who keeps planting them kisses on your South Georgia lips, dancing in the rain with my hands on your hips? Who lives your life out in pretty little rows? Who keeps that red dirt between your pretty toes? Oh, say my name, let it echo through the holler. Who's your farmer? Works harder on loving you than any old hard-earned dollar. Tell me, who's your farmer? Girl, come on up here, let me show you how to drop a roll marker. Tell me, who's your farmer? Who keeps planting them kisses on your South Georgia lips, dancing in the rain with my hands on your hips? Who lives your life out in pretty little rows? Who keeps that red dirt between your pretty toes? Oh, say my name, let it echo through the holler. Who's your farmer? Now say my name, let it echo through the holler. Who's your farmer? Oh, who's your farmer, baby?
Where I'm from, we started young, staying out all night. And it was cool, breaking rules. And if we wanted to take a little ride, steal the keys when we need them, call the girls and go pick them up. That feeling of freedom, unbelievable kind of rush. Where I'm from, we started young, outlaws in our eyes. We were only 15, running from the blue 5-0, shotgunning in a field with the beams down low. Growing up fast where there ain't no roads in the heat of a summer night. Kissing girls in the back of my old man Chevy, crossing every line every time she'd let me. Learning about love, learning about life. Yeah, I was raised by a good time. Driving through town, just my boy and me, with a Happy Meal in his booster seat, knowing that he couldn't have the toy till his nuggets were gone. A green traffic light turned straight to red. I hit my brakes and mumbled under my breath. His fries went a-flying and his orange drink covered his lap. Well, in my 4-year-old said a 4-letter word. It started with S, and I was concerned. So I said, son, now where'd you learn to talk like that? He said, I've been watching you